Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Gum Restore is probably one of the most transformative dental procedures you can undergo, offering a chance to revitalize your smile and improve your oral health significantly. From addressing gum recession and gum disease to enhancing the aesthetics of your smile, gum restoration techniques can restore confidence and improve your overall well-being, leading to a healthier, more radiant smile that lasts a lifetime. Today, we will explore the various aspects of gum restoration, helping you make informed decisions about your oral health journey. Number 5. Parodontax Active Gum Repair. Introducing Parodontax Active Gum Repair Toothpaste. It's specially formulated to help reverse the early signs of gum disease and keep your gums healthy. This unique toothpaste helps to strengthen the seal between your gums and teeth. It's a simple step towards better gum health. It not only helps fight gum disease but also prevents cavities, leaving you with a fresh, confident smile. With anti-cavity benefits, it helps protect your teeth from decay, keeping them strong and healthy. For best results, brush twice daily with this minty fresh toothpaste. It promotes overall gum health and fresh breath. Don't wait for problems to start. Make Parodontax Active Gum Repair Toothpaste part of your daily routine for a healthier mouth. What we like? It effectively tackles early gum disease signs. The fresh mint flavor makes brushing a pleasant experience. With 3 tubes, you're set for a while, ensuring consistent gum care. If you're experiencing early gum issues and appreciate a refreshing mint taste, this is a great option for you. What people say. Helps reverse the signs of early gum disease, leaving gums feeling healthier and fresher. Noticeable improvement in gum health after a few uses. Parodontax remove plaque over time and helps if you brush fully with an electric toothbrush. Number 4. LIVFRESH Toothpaste Gel. It's clinically proven to remove plaque 250% better than other leading brands. Experience a cleaner, healthier mouth with every brush. This toothpaste improves gum health by a remarkable 190%. It's a game changer for your oral hygiene. It effectively reduces tartar buildup and leaves your breath feeling fresh and clean all day long. Backed by 26 research studies and 40+ patents, its unique formula is developed by leading scientists. The result is a superior clean. Its patented formula breaks the bond between plaque and your teeth, preventing new plaque from forming. It provides a deep clean, even in hard-to-reach areas. Thousands of dental professionals, including former presidents of the ADA and AAP, recommend it. It's a product you can trust. Made in America with 100% edible, SLS-free ingredients. It's gentle enough for everyone to use. What we like? This one boasts superior plaque removal and significantly improves gum health. It's also SLS-free, making it gentle on sensitive mouths. If you prioritize clinically proven results and want a gentle, effective clean, this is the toothpaste for you. What people say. It cleans teeth, improves gum health and breaks up plaque. I've had some tartar buildup just break off after brushing. It does an outstanding job of quickly removing grime and slime without damaging or abrading my teeth, and improves bad breath in only a few uses. This makes my teeth feel like they were just polished and I do not need to use much product so it lasts a long time. Number 3. Parodontax Active Gum Repair. It's the toothpaste that helps protect your gums and whiten your teeth at the same time. It's formulated to fight plaque and reduce bleeding gums. This unique formula gently whitens your teeth while actively repairing gum tissue. It's a 2-in-1 solution for a healthier smile. It effectively kills plaque bacteria at the gum line. This helps to reverse early signs of gum damage and keep your gums healthy. It's 3 times more effective than other toothpastes at removing plaque, the main cause of bleeding gums. This leads to healthier gums and a brighter smile. For best results, brush with it twice daily for 2 minutes. Remember to always follow the directions on the label. It's the smart choice for a smile that's both healthy and beautiful. Get yours today. What we like? It effectively whitens your teeth while addressing bleeding gums. It's a convenient single-tube option for those seeking a quick solution. If you want a whitening toothpaste that also targets gum problems, this is a good choice. What people say. It has definitely whitened my teeth and stopped the bleeding that would occur after flossing. My gums were always very inflamed and bleeding a lot. Every time I brushed and flossed, it was to the point where the water I spit out when rinsing was bright dark red. Once I started using this toothpaste, I noticed an incredible difference within 4 to 6 weeks. No more bleeding gums. Just a very light bleed when I do my deep flossing. Huge difference. My dental hygienist even told me that she noticed my gums were doing better at my last cleaning. My teeth and gums feel extra clean and don't hurt after brushing. And it is a must to get the Parodontax toothbrushes to use with the toothpaste. The brush is so soft and comfortable on my gums. I had no pain like I had been getting while using a regular, soft bristle freebie from my dentist. It was a difference like night and day. Number 2. DentiZen Gum Regrowth Drops. Experience the soothing power of DentiZen. It's formulated with natural ingredients to rejuvenate your gums and improve your smile. This unique blend is safe for everyday use. It supports your overall oral health without harsh chemicals. Say goodbye to bad breath and tooth sensitivity. It helps repair damaged and receding gums, leaving you with a fresh feeling. Take it anywhere. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel, the office, or on-the-go use. Simply mix a few drops with water and rinse for 1 minute before bed. It's a gentle yet effective way to achieve a vibrant smile. It contains water, eucalyptus oil, aloe vera extract, chlorophyll, glycerin, and vitamin C, all working together for optimal gum health. What we like. These drops promote gum regrowth using a natural formula. They're easy to incorporate into your daily routine. If you are looking for a natural approach to gum health and prefer a convenient application method, consider these drops. What people say. It doesn't have any taste. I don't use it as is supposed to, but I apply directly to my gums. I purchased this item based on relativity to my problem that being one damaged gums under a single tooth. Very cheap comparing to others, lots of good reviews, and it claims to fully restore previous state of gum health. Works good product. Number 1. Strong Jaw Gum Restore. It's a nutrient-rich blend designed to support gum regrowth and overall dental health. This clinically proven formula helps improve gum health, fight tooth decay, and promote a healthier smile. It includes thymus extract to boost your immune system and acts like an oral probiotic. It helps treat bleeding and swollen gums, promoting optimal gum and teeth health. This powerful blend of vitamins and minerals supports gum repair and addresses periodontal disease. It's effective in treating gum infections and inflammation, helping reverse tooth decay. Made in small batches in the USA and third-party tested, it's free from GMOs and additives. It offers a safe and effective way to improve your oral health naturally. When you choose this, you're investing in your overall well-being. We stand behind it with a 90-day money-back guarantee, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This supplement supports gum regrowth and overall immune health. It provides a 1-month supply for consistent use. If you prefer a long-term approach to gum health and want to support your immune system simultaneously, this supplement is worth considering. What people say. First and foremost, the redness and swelling around my gums started to get less, almost as if they were finally breathing after a long time. I noticed a stronger immune system, fewer times I felt under the weather, which I think is from the thymus and immune support mentioned in the product details. A gap between 2 of the right teeth formed last year. That was caused by my teeth shifting, but the gap is almost closed now. My gums are still a bright red, but the gums on the front upper right are no longer purple. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.